In this lesson, I'm going to be teaching you about customizing the drawing environment. You can adjust the Autocad 2009 interface and drawing area to match the way you work. Many of these settings are available from shortcut menus in the Options dialog box. The easiest way to access the Options dialog box is to go up here to the top in the pull-down menu and go to Tools. Down here at the very bottom, you'll see Options, so click on that, and it pulls up a dialog box. From this dialog box, you have many options, as you can see here. Windows elements, layout elements, display resolution, display performance. But we're going to go ahead and go to colors, which you see right here. If you click on colors, you can change the color of many options in AutoCAD. So say the background, you don't like a white background. So you click on 2D model space uniform background and open up the color fly down box here and say you want it black. So click black, apply and close, and say OK. What that did was it changed the background color to black instead of white. Let's go ahead and open up the Options dialog box again. So go to Tools, Options, and we're going to change the color back to white. So 2D model space, uniform background, we'll open this up and say white. Say Apply and Close. Other options you have, as you can see here, layout elements. And as you hover your mouse over these options, it pulls up a little display screen that kind of gives you a little description of what each option does. As you can see here, there are many options to set in AutoCAD 2009. As we scroll through them, let's go to Open and Save. And see the Save As AutoCAD 2007 drawing? If you open that fly down box, you have a lot of other options as AutoCAD 2004, AutoCAD 2000, so on and so on. The reason you do that is, say you're sending a file that you created in AutoCAD 2009 and they're working on AutoCAD 2000. Well, if you send them that file, they will not be able to open it. So what you'd have to do is save it down to a later version, and that's where you find that options right here. As you continue to scroll through these options, you can just get an idea of how many options there are to set, and just depending on the person, how you want to set up your AutoCAD 2009 working screen. What I would suggest is spending some time in this options dialog box and really going through all the different options and seeing what really would apply to you and what would make your working environment easier to work with. As you can see, AutoCAD 2009 provides you with a vast number of choices to set up your work environment the way you want. We will not go through all of these options at this time. Just remember that you can pull up this options dialog box to make changes to your work environment. As you become more familiar with AutoCAD 2009, you may want to return to this dialog box to change the settings to suit your work. Now, in the final lesson of this chapter, we will examine AutoCAD 2009's tool palette.